It's your Locked and Loaded. I'm actually recording off of my phone because before I take my setup apart, if that's what you want to call it, before I take my setup apart, I wanted to show you guys how the Diva ring turned out, how I got it propped up on this tripod, and I literally just did this right now before I did the video, before this video. Please do not judge me. I may clean it up a bit, I may not. So what? That's my decision. I'm actually thinking about getting a real Diva ring when I get my taxes. I don't know yet. Or I may just get two, what are they called? Like softbox lights. I don't know. I may wait until I get my house to be able to do all this, but I mean, whatever. We'll see. Just I'll show you guys the turnout. This is my little setup in my room. There's my Diva light. There is my backdrop, and there is my camera. This is my tripod that I ordered from Amazon. This table I actually put together myself. Whoop whoop. That came from Walmart. It's like my computer desk slash homework slash meditate before I kill somebody table. And I'm gonna give you the I'm gonna give you the view from how it looks if I'm actually recording. So how I have this, I'll probably end up cutting this, but whatever. So I actually did like this over and under type thing so that it can stay on my tripod. I'm really praying and hoping that it's not too heavy and it ends up bending my tripod. I did a video on this tripod and it has not let me down yet, but that's just when my little camera was on it. And if I hold it at this angle, you can see like it has like a little gangster lean to it. I'm gonna try not to touch it anymore, but yeah. Honestly, I don't know. I don't get much light from it if I have this light on. And then I guess let's turn it this, well, let's see how it looks without the light. So here's how it looks if I just have my Diva light on. The lights that I got from Walmart, I don't know if they're supposed to be like that, but they're not that bright. What I may do is, I've seen a couple videos that don't have the wax paper on them. I may just take the wax paper off to see how it looks. I'm gonna turn the light back on. So yeah, I really need, unfortunately, I really do need another light. But so yeah guys, this is my Diva ring and how it looks attached to this camera. This is how I have it on the tripod. It's a bit of a over under type of thing. The zip ties that I had weren't long enough, so I had to double up. Like this one here, the reason why it's so long, because it's actually snapped into this green one. The same thing with this green one back here. In my opinion, if you're gonna do this and have the heavier DIY Diva ring, I would get a more sturdy tripod. This is just my first time. I actually put it together tonight, so I'm not seeing the effects from putting the Diva ring on there. We will see how it turns out. Just wanted to give you guys that update. And this is where magic happens. Not really. Not really at all. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you have a good night.
All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got pants in the coop.